Hi Sam, thanks very much for the question and the offer of your old appliance. I would love to be able to recycle this Cookology dishwasher for you to actually make sure it doesn't go on the landfill and at least someone benefits from the parts. You've got a Cookology CMDW2BK, and BK at the end is only to do with the colour of the machine. These dishwashers are made by Media, and the information or the video that I did previously does describe the error that you've got with this dishwasher now, and it could be just a simple fix. E1 error code on these Cookology dishwashers are related to the fill process. You may have a fault with the actual water valve, low pressure going to the machine, or you may have a problem with the impeller system or the measuring system that detects the amount of water going into the machine. You want to check all that. Also, calcification is a big problem on these machines if you're in a hard water area, and you can end up with blockages on the heater and also the flow going into the machine. And it's worth checking all the wiring and the connections on the circuit board and the impeller unit as well. I hope all this information helps you. I have put a link in the description for your machine as well, and that's got the video that you were relating to. But if you're trying to get rid of the machine and you decide not to repair it, then I would just put it onto eBay. Even if you don't want any money for it, just put it on eBay with the model number, and I'm sure someone will take it off your hands because they need parts for their machine. And this is one way of disposing of it environmentally friendly and giving someone the opportunity to repair their machine with the spare parts from your machine. I hope this helps you.